Hill Station launched a campaign of 100 days before the 21st June 2025 International Day of Yoga. Here, every day, two teachers went to teach yoga in local train to the commuters. One day, four teachers went. From them, two were children, 10 years old and 7 years old. So let's go ahead and look at what the children had to teach.
Wash my hands without fail, and even once a week I trim my nails. I take a bath and wash and comb my hair, and later breathe in fresh air. This is why I must stay clean, because cleanliness is part of my being. We spoke about personal cleanliness, but we're also responsible for our surroundings, like our home and our environment. Clean your home and clean your city. Make it wonderful and full of beauty. यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम भी योग के है कुछ अंग. शौच है दूसरी नियम की कड़ी, इसे लेकर चलना है सब. So शौच is the second value of niyam that we all should follow. कचरा मत फेंको, कचरा मत फेंको, कचरा फेंको तो डब्बे के अंदर. तुम्हारा मस्कल अंदर, कचरा डब्बे के अंदर. तुम्हारा मस्कल अंदर, कचरा डब्बे के अंदर.
Still more.
We spoke about internal and external cleanliness, but one more cleanliness is very important. That is in yoga. That is called Soch of mind. मन की सोच. Complaints and issues of the mind, with a broom, sweep them away and you will be fine. Don't let the mental litter stay or it will take your space away.
So now, our dear Akira will make you do a small meditation on cleanliness. Did you ever think of a meditation on cleanliness? So I request you all to cooperate with her. Please sit down and put your mobiles inside. Keep your bags inside. It's just going to take 2 minutes. Keep your hands in this mudra. This is the Gyan mudra, but we will place the hands upside down, which is called the Chin mudra. Chin mudra will help you to focus better on your meditation. The mind becomes relaxed and better focused. I give the mic to Akira now.
Now close your eyes and relax yourself.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes first.
Next station, Thani.
Simply wash the litter of your mind. Someone may have spoken ill with you, or you may be thinking negative thoughts about someone else. And keep watching your litter. Mentally take a broom and sweep it all out of your mind. Keep sweeping until it clears completely. Keep sweeping.
much, all of you.
Both girls have done very well, and in today's hectic life, 2 minutes we have done yoga in this local run. Very good.
Akira and Yara have got a gift from
Vodafone Idea.
Vodafone ID. Wow!
It was an important message they gave us today, and it was a very beautiful script done by these guys. And yeah, I'm proud of this generation.
दोनों बच्चों ने अच्छे से किया और उनसे हमें बहुत अच्छे से सोच मिली कि ऐसे ही प्राणायाम वगैरह सब योगा अच्छे से करना चाहिए. वेल डन बेटा, कीप इट अप.
This is very good practical explanation by little girls and for all the society. So we have to follow these things in mind.
They gave us a short demonstration and I loved it, and I'd like to keep doing these things and to make people aware, and thank you very much for making all effort.
इससे हमें बहुत अच्छी सीख मिली और मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए डेली 2 मिनट मिनिमम. उससे हमारा माइंड फ्रेश होता है. थैंक यू.
Very good, nice act by the students. I think it is a great platform to bring awareness among the people. Great job done by the kids and youth.
Thanks, Hill Station, but they are making a very nice.
This was a good exercise that randomly in the middle of my busy day I took aside 2 minutes and I just meditated the way that these children guided me, and it was a good activity though. Thank you children for that. I guess I sweep my mind little a bit today. Thank you.
Hello, this is very wonderful exercise the children are doing, and yoga exercises are very good for mind and health. Thanks for coming us and giving us guidance.
जो ये कैंपेन है सही में बहुत अच्छा है. पब्लिकली जाके आप सब कुछ कंडक्ट कर रहे हो तो ये ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि घर में तो अपने आप फैमिली में सब कुछ हम लोग बताते हैं, लेकिन पब्लिकली जाके ये सब कुछ अवेयरनेस पब्लिक में लाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट. और बच्चों ने जो किया ना वो खास करके उनके लिए भी अच्छा है और औरों के लिए भी एक मैसेज है कि अगर हम लोग कर सकते, बच्चे ये समझ सकते तो बड़े भी ज़रूर समझेंगे. तो इट्स वेरी नाइस. Thank you.
I really enjoyed the campaign. It is a really great initiative, and if the kids are doing it, like it's so encouraging because they are starting from such a small age, and like they are spreading the awareness about the same. And in the midst of the busy day, like when we go to job and everything, we just forget it when we grow older. We don't think it's that important, but in the middle of the day when you try to meditate, then we realize how much important it is.